Made in United States. Package height, 5.334 centimeters. Package length, 24.13 centimeters. Package width, 17.018 centimeters. The ACDelco Professional Carburetor Repair Kit contains high-quality aftermarket replacement components for one or more of the following vehicle systems: ignition and/or engine fuel management. This premium aftermarket kit contains components that are manufactured to meet or exceed your expectations for fit, form, and function. Top reviews from the United States. Read the fit guide before opening. I had to send this one back, my mistake, working on an older pieced-together rig. Important to decode Rochester identification, easy to find online. Then add to your Amazon garage a make, model, engine size and year of a vehicle your Quadrajet came off of. Then you'll see the exact kit pop up with a green check mark. This fits your vehicle.